kung ano ba yung ginawa or ano yung in-order ng Court of Appeals. So sabi po ng Court of Appeals dito, yung decision dated May 12 and the order dated 06 July issued by the Regional Trial Court are declared null and void. So ito pong mga decisions na to at yung order na to, ito po yung judgment of acquittal in favor of former Senator Laila De Lima. So makita po natin, ang sabi ng Court of Appeals, they are declaring it as null and void. Therefore, walang bisa na yung judgment of acquittal, okay? At pangalawa po, ang sinabi ng Court of Appeals, we remand the case to the Regional Trial Court Branch 204 for it to decide the case in accordance with the rules stated in this decision, okay?
Naku po, sa sinasabi po ni De Lima at saka ng kampo niya, hindi raw po, ang ibig sabihin daw lang po niya, pinagpapaliwanag sila. Pinagpapaliwanag daw yung mga ebidensya. Pero dito, malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw na null and void na yung acquittal niya. So ibig sabihin,